Hello guys, today I'm playing Fortnite with my friends at 10 o'clock. Sorry guys. Okay, wait. Guys, I'm trying to get the best angle for you. Alright, Devon, please don't try to clip me, bro. Please, bro. Because you always try to do that nonsense, you. Keegan, were you playing with Ethan earlier on? Do you know what I have this for? Yes? I plus for eggs. I plus for scrambled eggs. I drank this in a long time. Ooh, Nala, Nala, the black dog, the German. Oh, okay. Damn, so my dog be following you. Thanks. He go way up. Good boy. Mm-hmm. Bro, guys, my controller just went banging against the floor, bruh. I don't know if it's good. Okay, it's good, it's good, it's good. Yes? Why? It's blank, bro. Select it's blank. Thank you. What the hell? Oh ja, Keegan, je doet Minecraft. Kun je doen? Okay, let's go please. La, 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 la. Nah, but imagine me in my prime. Imagine me in my prime, bro. I would cook all of you. I would cook all. Alright. Sorry guys. The video has just started.